Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV. As y'all can see, man, we doing an OG style POV, man, and right with it, we cutting the traction all the way off. And y'all can't tell by the title, I'm gonna be driving, basically be driving Olivia like a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? That's why I turn the traction all the way off. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, I ain't flow that bit, but bro, it's something about when traction is all the way off, bro, in sport. I was telling y'all, bro, you get more horse, it's like you get more torque or more like wheel spin, bro, with your traction all the way off, because it's letting both of the wheels spin together, regardless, you know what I'm saying, what's going on without traction control and all that. But the problem is you're gonna spin, so that's why you don't feel it. But I felt that, and I wasn't even flooring it. Straight out the gate with the car crew, we getting litty with it, you know what I'm saying, straight out the gate. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. We gonna hit 10K Cari crew before the end of 2022. For all my new people watching right now, if you watching right now for the first time, we hitting 10K, man. So just join the family. Dang, I gotta stop doing that, bro. I been getting to know Olivia lately, and I hurry up and start the video, bro. And she just not warmed up. Well, like, she'll be like over 150 though, but still. I like to wait till after that pad 170, like 180. Man, my bad, Olivia, my bad. I'm tripping. But yeah, Cari crew, man. Damn, I know that win. But yeah, Cari crew, man. Y'all, like I said, man, we're gonna hit 10K before the end of 2022, man. That's the goal. I've been manifesting that all year, man. 10K by the end of this year, man. 10K. We gotta run up 2K, man. 2K supporters. We need 2K subscribers, man, in December. I said in my last video, if y'all didn't watch my last video, man, I'm gonna do vlogmas, man, you know what I'm saying, POV vlog, but I'm trying my best to do that, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try to post every day or have videos in the vault ready, you know what I'm saying. If I can't post every day, bro, it's gonna be at least three times a week, bro. So y'all gonna be getting a lot of content from me, so y'all please stay tuned for that. Watch all them videos, man. Try not to skip all the ads, you know what I'm saying, because we're gonna get a Hellcat soon, Cari crew. But anyway, yeah, hit that like button, and I'm finna drive my car as if it was a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? Turn the traction all the way out so it can get a little swirly, like a cat, you know what I'm saying? Probably slide a few turns, reasonable ones, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all be just, one of the people just go so fast. But y'all ain't the one doing it. Y'all let me know how y'all like them downshift though, man. And if I keep looking at my wrist, I'm looking at the camera. People always keep commenting while I do that. Like y'all can't see my wrist right here. I'm gonna watch on it. What's up, man? Y'all let me know how. Ooh, I see lights. I see lights. I see lights. I see lights. I'm finna go the other way. Hopefully they pull them over because their car broke or something like that. Yeah, I think it is. I don't know. Man. See, Cari crew, man. Like, they all want to do that when I want to, you know what I'm saying, get wiki. So y'all excuse me for the little boring part right there, man. I ain't trying to go too crazy. My car is very loud now, you know what I'm saying? It echoes. I know you can hear it for at least half a mile away, at least. I'm not half a mile away from it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Man, that bit going on now. I try to get all a few pops. Bro, the sport downshifts is crazy. Y'all hit on Pop's Cari crew. She don't wanna pop. trying to get a little sound footage, man. I'm trying to watch, see where I'm gonna go. But I'm gonna do a lunch for y'all too, man, with the traction all the way out, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all a little, you know what I'm saying, a little slight little footage, man. A little action. Losing traction. They be somewhere near the street, you know what I'm saying? You could be everywhere, man. Everywhere, man. What's up with these folks, huh? I can't tell me no downshifts don't be sounding good, man, from Olivia. I know no downshifts be sounding good, man. We're a car crew. I'm gonna try to do this vlogman, man. I've been thinking about this all day today, man. About the vlogging thing. I'm really trying something different. I know somebody probably gonna, you know, nobody else obviously gonna do it. But I want to do vlogmas, and what kind of vlogmas wouldn't be more litter than, you know what I'm saying, videos with Olivia, you know what I'm saying? It'd be like that'd be like me literally driving her everyday car cruiser. Y'all literally gotta like these videos, you know what I'm saying? Watch all the videos, you know what I'm saying, and comment and subscribe, bro. Driving this every day, catless, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all already know that's some cheese, bro. I do that every day for a month. Or at least, like, you know what I'm saying, 4, 5 times out of the week. When I don't have to. Come on, car crew. Y'all gotta like that, hit that like button. Like, hit the like button now in this video, you know what I'm saying? Hit the like button already. I'm telling y'all, bro, vlogmas, we're gonna do it. Comment down below POV vlogmas, man, with the car emoji or something like that. POV vlogmas. You feel me? I'm finna start a new wave, car crew. Finna start a new wave, man. POV vlogmas. The one like these, hands free and just, you know, the regular ones, you feel me? But yeah. Look at that tall truck, that mother huge. Olivia be shooting flames. Ooh. Olivia be shooting flames, man. I know y'all be hearing that. But yeah, man. POV vlogmas down in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? Cari crew way, the Cari crew way, man. But yeah, I'm gonna do a lunch for y'all, a few lunches with traction off and see how Olivia do. No pre-burnout, nothing. Just, you know, I'm just gonna see how she do, man. I'm just gonna see what's up. I'm just gonna give y'all a little, lit, you know what I'm saying? Lit content, lit POV, man. Quick POV. The video probably gonna drop today, you know what I'm saying? As I'm recording it. That's what I'm saying, like. Vlogmas, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm literally gonna be coming out the dome with it, so y'all bear with me. I know all the videos may not be, you know what I'm saying? Some of them may be short, like 8-minute videos. Some of them may be 15, 20 minutes, just depending on what I pick. But if I'm doing vlogmas like that, I might give y'all more sliding every turn, you know what I'm saying, I make. So y'all comment down below if y'all want to see that. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get straight to that too. Cause that'd be some lit vlogmas footage right there, man. Sliding every turn I make. And then I'm doing that damn near every other day. That's crazy. Crazy. Oh, look at that lady outside. That's a lady. I was gonna do it. Car crawl gonna do it. The white lady looking at me with the trench coat and the shades on. Oh, I'm scared of you. You know she got a Wild Wild West in her pocket. Come that thing pocket rocket for real. She was staring like John Wick. I ain't car crew. I got y'all though, man. Ah, that's crazy. I'm you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do right, man. I'm gonna do right. But yeah, man. POV vlog is car crew way. We going crazy with it, you know what I'm saying? Finna do that joint right here. Get some nice housing. I'm doing some real hood rat stuff in a nice neighborhood. Okay, do a nice little lunch. About 2,000. walk that bit in. Hey, I just learned how like you really can just wiggle this bit, and it bit gonna like go crazy, like it'll keep going. I went all the way over, and I stayed in it. For all them niggas that be in the comment, hey nigga, I get out of it when I want to, you know what I'm saying? All them niggas be out there hating. Yeah, that bit hating. Now let me know what y'all think about that. I ain't did that in a while. Which way I'm gonna go? Should I do another one? Just stab that bit. Cari crew, turn me up. Turn me up, nigga. Slow it down now. Slow it down now. Ooh, slow it down now, Lil. Ooh, slow it down now, Lil. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, man, I having fun, man. I ain't gonna lie, vlogging's finna be lit. Cari crew vlogging's finna be lit, cuz. Talk to me. Give me another one. Give me another one. Good Lord. Good Lord. Good Lord. Ooh-wee. Come on, man. Cari crew. Hey, man. Cari gonna turn it up for vlogging. Man, if it snowed where I stay at, bro, I'm telling y'all, I'll give y'all some bangers, Cari crew. If it snowed where I stay at, bro, I'll give y'all some bangers. I be doing shit that niggas would not do in the snow, bro. I'm telling you, and I really do it. I'm telling you, that junk crazy. Oh, Cari crew, bro. That's alright, bro. Now let me go nowhere where the snow at, but it's over. I'm finna run on like 8 videos in one day. Literally, straight POV, man. Straight POVs, Cari crew. But yeah, man, I got a little wicked. Y'all just seen the little goofy side of me. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really show y'all that when I really just be getting silly, you know what I'm saying? But let me get out there. Oh, I hit 12. Let me drive normal. Come on, Olivia, hush, man. Hush, hush, hush. There you go. Good girl. Damn. Damn. Trying to holler at everybody. But nah, man. Let me roll these with us. Y'all probably barely heard anything I said. But yeah, man. And like that car just gave y'all, you know what I'm saying, lit little POV, man. I don't know what to call that, but driving my car, driving my Scat like a Hellcat, traction all the way off. Hey, got a little wicked, burnt a little rubber for y'all. I ain't did that in a minute. I don't even burn rubber. It was just a little bit though. Y'all ain't see it. It was just a little bit. It wasn't a lot. It just I was walking that bit, and I wasn't even letting off of that bit either. You know what I'm saying? Just going through the gear, that bit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I'm gonna start switching up my outro, bro. I don't like talking too much, and when we get to the end, cause it's like whatever, unless I really gotta tell y'all stuff. But comment down below, like I said, man. Vlogmas, not Cari crew, POV vlogmas, man. Comment that down below in the comment. Get the video to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? Let's run the video up, man. Subscribe if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Like the videos. I always say, follow me on Instagram, man. It'll be in the description down below. And yeah, man, that gonna be a wrap. Like I said, y'all just, you know what I'm saying, stay strong out here in these streets, stay level-headed, man, stay blessed, you know, and achieve your dreams, man, and strive to be the best that you can be, bro. Break the traditional curses of your family if you got any, you know what I'm saying. If y'all feel like y'all got any, man, break them, you know what I'm saying. It's too much easy money out here. You just gotta find the knowledge to get it, bro. I'm trying to do that right now, you know what I'm saying, as y'all can see. So y'all support your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? We all can eat. We all can eat, bro. It's free to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like watching TV for free. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's free to subscribe. All the love gonna get passed around, man. Put out positive energy. Try to receive positive energy. You will. You know what I'm saying? Just be genuine with it. You know what I'm saying? Don't look for a handout when you do it. Just be genuine. That's how you get blessed. You know what I'm saying? That's how you really get. You be like, dang. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna talk your head off. That's a little knowledge from your boy. But anyway, man, like I say, the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.